Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add any NFC card to your Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go to your settings, and then you're gonna go ahead and scroll and tap on wallet. Then you're going to tap on add card. Now one thing that you have to remember is when you do that, you need to have your card's information with you. So all you have to do is go ahead, tap on add card, and add in the information of your card, the card number, the security number. Once you added the card, you're gonna go ahead and confirm it, and it will be here in the wallet section. If you would like to check whether it has been or not, all you have to do is come to the wallet section and check the card here in the payment card section. Now those are the ways for you to go ahead, add yourself your card in the Apple Wallet like that. And that's it. If you still cannot do it, then you can simply go ahead and have to refresh and make sure that you're adding the correct numbers over there. That's all. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.